Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the Technical Trader, and it's Wednesday, July the 14th. Some ideas on the long side for today, and stocks that are looking good, and several that are emerging. We start off with ADTN. As you can see, the stock has been in a nice rising channel, like most stocks, since the end of '08, when it was trading around 12. Stock reached the near $30 level in April, backed off. Came on again, and now today had a price breakaway gap surge that took it up 238 or 8.25% on 5.5 million shares. By far the heaviest volume this year, any one day, and going back several years as well. So perhaps the initiation of a new uptrend, or at least a new phase of the current uptrend. In any case, resistance at around 33.5, but trading target up around 37 for Atran. Acme Packet continues to do well, had an exceptional day today, jumping out of its consolidation range across key resistance at around 30.65 and exploded up towards 32.40, closing at 31.85, up $1.71 or 5.7% on 2.75 million shares. That's the heaviest volume in about 6 weeks. Significant enough that I think Acme Packet makes it to the mid-30s short term, intermediate term up in the low 40s. APSG, Applied Signal, which we've featured a couple times, continues to trade low volume, but built a beautiful technical pattern after a big downtrend. As you can see, the stock had dropped from 27 down to 17. Built the base out over the last several months. Popped a week and a half ago, formed a flag, and then broke out of that flag today, up another 27 cents on lower volume. But it appears that a new trend is underway as lateral price resistance in this zone here has been taken out. There is some additional price resistance just above here in the 21.25 range, but I'll have a trading target about 24.5, 25 at the September-October '09 highs. Low price CIGX, Star Scientific, which had a big run that we participated in February and March, then came down from the 369 area to near $1, but has been basing out over the last several months. Today, late in the day, it surged on 2.4 million shares, the heaviest volume in about 3 weeks, and ran up to near overhead resistance around $1.95. If that line is taken out, and we're anticipating that it will be, I'm looking for a run that takes us back up to test the 293 zone, maybe as high as 350.60. That'll be our 2 trading targets going forward. CTFO, China Transinfo Technology, had a significant move yesterday, and wanted to highlight that this down channel here was broken on heavy volume, taking it up through the declining 50-day moving average and declining tops line, channel top, etc. As you can see, technicals have been surging and edging higher, I should say, all along while the stock's been making lower lows, an indication of ongoing accumulation. It appears that this price volume surge was the key breakout day. We had a little bit of a minor pullback today on lower volume, but I'm looking for the stock to make further progress with a trading target around 9.5. IDT continues to act very well, and it's slowed down a little bit in its progress, but has gone sideways for 3 days here. Very, very low volume, and technicals holding up well. I'm looking for a spurt that takes us up towards 2021 zone. KERX, Junior Biotech, which we played last year, earlier this year, had a big run up, as you can see, from literally under a dime to get up to as high as 667 in May. And over the last couple of months has had a slow declining channel. Today, snapping back dramatically, up 15.5%, breaking up through the declining top line and moving averages. It looks like this is headed for a test of the 4.5, 3/4 zone, but my ultimate trading target, or should I say, an intermediate term trading target, at around 6.25, 6.5. LLEN has been acting well of late. Earnings are coming out tomorrow. I expect a good report, and then a conference call following. But this triple bottom in here has formed a nice base. The stock has moved up over the last 5 or 6 sessions from under 8 to over 10, and I'm expecting a move that tests 11, takes it out, and runs us up towards 12.5, my trading target. Orex, OREX, Had a significant day yesterday, had a nice follow-through day today. It took it through lateral price resistance and its 50-day moving average and ran up near next level of resistance. But my trading target is up near 7 at the May highs, as I anticipate that this move extends its momentum forward. PPO, polypore, broke out of a coiling type wedge pattern today. Yesterday actually followed through today nicely, up another $1.04. This appears to be ready to make additional progress. We have a trading target at 30 short term. PWER, after breaking out of the trading range 4 days ago, has been edging up slowly, but I think this accelerates and reaches my trading target up around 12.5, currently 907. And lastly is WPRT, one of our portfolio positions that ran $1.15 today, or almost 7% on the strongest volume in, we'll call it a week and a half, a couple weeks actually. And we could be on the verge of a breakout of this big wedge pattern and a move that takes us up to challenge the highs at 20.5. We get through that, secondary target around 25. And that's it for tonight. There's some ideas for you on the long side. We'll see what the market does going forward, where we may have begun a pullback process, but no key support levels have been broken just yet.